successful man is a stupid woman. When God was going to create you as a woman, he didn't take the bone from your back, the back of the man. He didn't take from the feet, he took from the sides. This is your worth. You are not behind, you are beside. Stay there. And stop hiding your worth. Stop hiding your worth. Every man is a psychologist. That's why they treat you badly. That's why a man tells you until he sleeps with you, he cannot marry you. Rubbish. Because you don't know your worth. You were not created from the back, you were created. And those of you that are fathers, start teaching your girls to know their worth.